I'm thankful for today, I rise and shine. With gratitude, this life is mine.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? This is the beginning of a new vlog. I don't want to have a habit of starting my vlog. I know I'm excited to be on this platform. I'm excited to be on YouTube every day. However, a lot of my videos seems like I just jump right in and I start recording, and thank you for always coming back. Thank you for the views. I see you watching and I am thankful. So this is the beginning of a new vlog. It's a new week. This is Sunday morning, getting ready for church. I have a couple of things to do today. I'm hoping I can carry you along with me, and let's see how it goes. Alrighty, let's go. I did a not get ready with me outfit of the day. Was a special request from a mentor here on YouTube. I read one of her comments saying she would have loved to see an outfit of the day. So I made a really quick short video with my outfit of the day. This was the same outfit. I'm getting ready to go to church. I have a meeting after, and I have an event, and I have some packing to do. I'll be going out of town in a few weeks and just trying to do some cleaning up, tidying up, then do some packing. So we'll see. If I don't get that in today, we'll get it in tomorrow after work. So let's see how it goes. Alrighty. Heading to church. I'm done with church, and the meeting service was wonderful. My event is at 3 o'clock, and right now it's 1 o'clock. If I go home, I may not come back out in this weather. So now I'm thinking what to do. Let's see how it goes. Wherever I end up, I'm sure you'll see. If I end up at home, I will let you know as well. I have to be up at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. I have a long day ahead of me. What to do. This mic. I was so proud of the mic when I was leaving the house. That's why I'm holding it like this. See, I'm just recording. I don't even know if I'm in the video. I'm using the back camera. But, oh well. Look at me, I'm dressed like I'm going to space. I have a blazer on, a winter coat, a scarf, I throw on. I have gloves. I took them off. The roads are getting better. The snow trucks, they came out a little late this morning. I missed Sunday school, but I was able to make service. The kids left me. Do you run off after service? Are you service is over at 12 o'clock and at 12:01 you're in your car? Or are you a service is over at 12 o'clock and at 12:10 you're still in the middle of your what did Ray call it again in Everybody Loves Raymond? A goodbye tour. I'm like, that's a good name for it. I heard him say it in one episode and I said, a goodbye tour. And hey, how are you? How's your weekend going? And before you know it, 10-15 minutes is gone. And you see the kids by the door looking at you and thinking, she's almost done. One more person. Today they said, not today. They just drove separately. Ababayo. Oh, so sleepy. I'm taking a break from my coffee because I love my coffee. I'm sure you guys know that. I need my coffee, but it's keeping me up. So I had to take a little break from the coffee That way I can sleep better. It's interfering with my sleep. So no more coffee for now. I can't listen to music. See, YouTube is gonna let me put a background song or background music, but I have to figure out a way to incorporate that into my video. That way, at least I can be listening to the music. Let's see, the car wash is open. If it's open, we'll go get a car wash and go home and eat, take a nap. If I'm not too tired, I'll do the packing. I'll start the packing. If I'm too tired, tomorrow. I just got back from church. I'm gonna change, get something to eat, and relax. When you get home, what's the first thing you take off? What's the first thing? So this is my leggings I had underneath my pants. I just took that off, throwing on something comfortable to wear at home. I think the wig should go. Should the wig go? No, not yet. Oh, thank you, Lord, for shelter. There's no place like home. Really, really no place. Alrighty, first things first. Let me see what this boy cleaned out his closet. Let me see what he has here. This is so weird that I can wear my kids' hand-me-down. When it's too small for the kids, it's actually my size. I says I am tiny. Tiny. But he's given it to his baby brother, so that's very nice. Pack that up for him. I can wear this one. No, I think it's its brother, so it's a little big, but he'll grow into it. Because he's go out in joy and be led forth in peace. That's nice. I need to cut the tags off. I don't like the tags behind the t-shirt. They're just not comfortable. Cut off. It's not comfortable. That's why I love Children's Place. Tag free. I'm gonna eat some food. I can hear my tummy growling. The fact that he threw the entire pile on the bed just makes me want to put it away. I do not like a mess. And the fact that I'm looking at this, I feel like I have to take care of it now that I'm in here. So that's why I'm doing this right away. So just going to grab something to eat. I think I'm going to wear this shirt. I cut off the tag. So what does it say? I like to wear graphic shirts that I can actually explain. If I can't explain it, I don't want to wear it. It should be self-explanatory. This one is not, so we're gonna get rid of it. So the ones that are really, really large, I will wear. The ones that are just his brother's size, then I'm gonna pack it up for him. because he can wear them. This is his size. He can. What does it say? I don't know. What's this? We'll think about this. I don't know. I can't explain this one either. It's cute. Let's see. Reality. Don't be discouraged. Be optimistic about everything. Need determination, no regrets in life. North and West. Don't be discouraged, don't dismay, be optimistic about everything. Okay, this I can wear because I can explain it. Let's cut the tag off. Alrighty, all done. Let's take this down. Let's start packing. Alrighty, let's start. Lunchtime. Let's eat. Let's eat. So I'll stop singing in my video. Let's be serious. No more singing, no more messing around. Let's be serious. Let's be serious. Let's see how long that lasts. Back from church and I'm hungry. I'm about to eat some bean cake. This is moi moi. It's made out of black eyed peas. What else are we eating with that? Some suya. Some suya. And plenty of vegetable. I love veggies. I have green pepper, red bell pepper, and some onion. A lot. I just put it in. I'm not eating the suya like that. That's the last of it. There we go. It's a lot of food. That's a lot of food. Let's put it with pieces of the turkey. I enjoyed the turkey. Brunch is ready. Oh. No. Corby. No, it's too early for that. What time is it? It's almost 2 o'clock. No, that's enough food. My moi moi is ready. My vegetable, my suya, and some turkey. A little bit of everything because I am starving. Let's dig in. Delish. It really is delicious. I know when you're hungry, everything tastes great. Food is good for the body. Let the packing begin. I have so much stuff. I travel so often that even before my next trip, I already have bags already packed. I said, why do I always have things? What are we watching? I don't even know. I always have a whole bunch of stuff. Let's see how this goes. I was gonna make this bread first. See the. Don't mind me. Do your thing. I'm doing my I shouldn't be long. All right. Time for work. Now, turn it up. Don't do that. No. There we go.
Your fiance.
Anybody bad eggs. Let us pack. Oh, the battery's in there already. Oh, yes. Da-da-da-dun-da-da-da-dun. Drink up, Sadie's Yoho. Oh boy, that's heavy. I did it. So I weighed out 3 bags. So here's silly. Yours is 79. Yours is 48. That's the red one. Then the other two, one is 47, one is 48. None of them are up to 49, sir. We want me like this. I was in the office. I'm like, wait a minute. Just to play around. I'll see if he'll keep his glasses on to do some sketching. Done packing. 2 bags and 1 hand luggage. Alrighty, guys. I'm done. For the rest of the week, I will just finish cleaning up and cooking and prepping. That way the fridge is fully stocked before I travel. Since I'll be traveling in a few weeks, I want to make sure there's enough food in the fridge and freezer. That's why I'm doing all the prep work. Alrighty, that's it. Have a good day. Oh, my head even in this video.